Narmada river, I said that one dam is there. I said that Sardar. Which dam? Can you remember which dam is there? Sardar Sarovar. Understood? Which dam? And I have discussed it when I was talking about MP. Understood? Sardar Sarovar. Tapi River has two dams in the Surat district. One I said that Ukai, another I said that Kakrapara. Which are the two dams? Understood? Surat district. Which district I said that? Surat district mein Ukai. Understood? I said that सूरत. विच रिवर? तापी. जनरली आप तप जब करते हो, आप आज के डेट में धीरे धीरे प्रिपरेशन पे आ गए हो कि अब 6-7 महीना और पूरा प्लान बना लोगे तो आई सेड दैट यू कैन बी एबल टू मेक दिस ईयर इटसेल्फ बेटर प्लान. तो उसके लिए तप करना होगा और तप करते समय यू शुड फॉरगेट अबाउट फूड्स एंड ऑल. जनरली लोग भूल जाते हैं, अच्छा मैं खाना नहीं खाया हूँ क्या. मेरे साथ तो जनरली होता था ऐसा, अभी भी होता ही है. मैं कभी स्टाफ बोलते सर खाना नहीं खाया, तो जैसे आज मैंने खाना ही नहीं खाया एंड आई हैवंट टेकन द लंच और मुझे ध्यान नहीं है. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग देन आई रिमेंबर. सो आई सेड दैट तप करते समय क्या हो जाती है, जब खाना नहीं खाओगे तो उल्टी होगी. क्या होगी? उकाई. क्या होगी? क्या होगी? सो तापी रिवर हैज व्हिच डैम? व्हिच डैम? उकाई. यस. एंड देन आई सेड दैट Kakrapara, Surat district has Kakrapara atomic power station. Which one I said that? Surat district has which atomic power station? Kakrapara atomic power station. So this water, ये water कहाँ जा रहा है? From the Kakrapara dam. Why it is going? Coolant purpose. Act as a coolant. Understood? The Surat has which two dams? Ukai dam and Kakrapara. And what is the use of Kakrapara? For cooling. Yes or not? Act as a coolant for Kakrapara atomic power station. This is clear? Now, when the river, this is when I said that coastal area. When the river, suppose करो, कभी आपने देखा होगा two people are pushing each other. Yes or not? And this is in a first person, this is a two person. This it is putting 100 Newton, it is putting 60 Newton. तो किधर की ओर मूवमेंट होगा? इधर. When the river, I said that river has more sediment, plus when the river has more speed. So when the river is coming with the more sediment and speed than the sea waves, then what will happen? They keep on depositing the sediments on the continental shelf near to the coast, and when it will come up, it will become delta. So delta formation के लिए what is the important portion that you should know? One, just I am giving a bit idea. Speed of the river should be more than the sea waves. Yes or not? यदि sea wave speed will be more, then the water will go inside the river itself, and then he cannot deposit. And then they should come with the lots of sediment, so that the delta can be formed. But in which case delta, and that is known as what I said that? Delta. But if the deltas are not forming, it is known as estuary. It is known as what? So estuary के केस में क्या होना चाहिए? Speed of sea wave should be greater than speed of river. Yes or not? तो यहां पे क्या होगा? If the sea wave, just देखिए यहां से, if it is, I said that the river, it is coming with the sediment, but the sea wave has a tide. Tide की वजह से क्या हो गया? River water has, sea water has been uplifted. अभी मुझे बताओ, river will have more speed or sea water will have more speed? And will enter into what? River valley. कभी आपने देखा होगा बोरिंग करना? यहाँ पे who is doing boring? sea water or river water? By what? Tide. Therefore tidal bore. And this river can deposit sediments? No. Kyun? Why he will deposit? क्योंकि when the tide is coming, he will not allow the river to deposit the sediment because it will bringing this river water also inside it. Understood? So when the tides, simply I said that next factor delta से opposite में बात कर रहा हूँ. When the tide is more than no deposition of sediment, and it is known as what? Estuary. It is known as what? Estuary. Completely okay in your mind? And another function आपने क्या देखा था? What is the important factor? Tidal bore. क्या देखते हैं आप? Tidal water enter into the river valley and it is known as what? Tidal bore. Is it clear? Which are we have seen? Yes, I said that tide is more effective than the what? Deposition of the sediments also. So my first point, as I said, that Gulf of Cambay has high tide. यहाँ पे टाइड ज्यादा आता है. Understood? Narmada river and Tapi river, can they deposit sediments? So what will be there? Narmada and Tapi has estuary. Then Narmada and Tapi has, tell me, estuary. Understood? Narmada and Tapi river has estuary. Can you remember in your mind? Narmada and Tapi river. So we understood about Kathiawar and some idea about of what is the Gulf of Cambay along with this plain area. Understood it? Now, we understood which banks are there. Mal Balakka, Aliabet. Aliabet Island लिख लेंगे. Oil reserve. Oil reserve. Aliabet Island is famous for Is it okay? Now, another small map of India I am going to draw. And I said that from here till Assam, this region is under sea. ये region से from this region to this region till Assam around 180 million years ago, what is the sea? और ये जो ऐसे जा रहा था तो ये क्या था? सी पोर्शन. व्हाट इज इट? और ये ऐसे टूटा हुआ था यहाँ से. तो ये पोर्शन किस में था? और इधर से भी इफ यू नो दैट, आपको मैंने बताया था यूरेशियन प्लेट एंड इट इज व्हाट talking about. So this under this portion, this one is what region? Continental shelf. और यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Continental shelf पे I used to say that यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Large amount of what? Sun rays. What is coming? Sun rays are coming and sun rays कौन एब्जॉर्ब करेगा? Who will absorb? Phytoplanktons. Who will absorb? And phytoplanktons is an like tree on the earth's surface, land mass. The similarly phytoplanktons and ये concept जानते कि नहीं आप लोग? बताया हुआ है. Phytoplanktons will be eaten by zooplankton and then phytoplankton and then zooplankton. I said that it is eaten by what? Fisheries, marine fisheries, marine animals. और ये marine animals क्या होते जाएंगे? Keep on dying and depositing below the sediment. And जब ये die होंगे then they will convert into, I said that, petroleum fuels. Tree किसमें convert होता है? Tree converts into coal, and then marine animals convert into. ये ध्यान में रखिएगा, wherever there is a petroleum, that region was earlier in the past under the sea, continental shelf. So क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? पेट्रोलियम फ्यूल्स. क्या मिलेगा? नेचुरल गैस. And what will get? Gas hydrates. What are the things that you will receive? Petroleum fuel, natural gas, and gas hydrates. Understood? Petroleum fuels, yes, natural gas, and gas hydrates. And gas hydrates का मतलब होता है नीचे में बहुत रहता है, यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बहुत कम रहेगा, तो gas hydrates is what? Ice crystal cube. Ice crystal cube. और इस ice crystal cube में मीथेन गैस, इसके अंदर क्या है? Trapped methane gas. It is known as gas hydrates. It is known as what? Understood? जैसे जैसे आप पिघलते जाएगा मीथेन निकलेगा, तुरंत आग लग जाएगा. So I said that in the presence of oxygen they suddenly burn out. So what is petroleum fuels, natural gas and gas hydrates? Understood? जब मैं महाराष्ट्र और ये सब बताता रहूँगा, that time I'll give some figure. वैसे हमारे इंडिया में 1900 million cubic meter of what? Gas hydrates. केवल हमें टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए to extract it. And our dependency on the fossil fuels will reduce in the Maharashtra and all will do. Is it clear? So समझ में आ गया? So what are the things we'll find in the continental shelf? What are the things you'll find in the continental shelf? Petroleum fuels, gas hydrates. हमारे बॉडी में क्या क्या पार्ट है? ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक. यस और नॉट? ऑर्गेनिक पार्ट्स कन्वर्ट्स इनटू व्हाट? पेट्रोलियम फ्यूल्स, नेचुरल गैस एंड गैस हाइड्रेट्स. अंडरस्टूड? हमारे बॉडी में बोन्स हैं. बोन्स किस चीज का बना हुआ है? कैल्शियम. इन द मैराइन एनिमल्स देयर बॉडी इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ कैल्शियम. यस और नॉट? So organic part converted into an inorganic part converted into limestone, calcium carbonate. Limestone. So limestone कहाँ पे बन रहा है? इसीलिए corals वगैरह you can be able to see. Understood? So which are the things along the continental shelf near to the coast you will find? Tell me first. Petroleum fuels. Yes. Gas hydrates, natural gas. So can I say that in India, this region, ये जो white part दिख रहा है ना, it is on a continental shelf. It has an